Good Wednesday morning, YouTube. Hope everyone's having a blessed and great day. It's an early chilly start for the morning here in Texas, but I had a question that was sent to me like 4 days ago. I've been so busy, I'm just getting to it. So here's the answer to that question. What you're looking at is a speedily drawn representation of a circuit. Guys, this is a three-way circuit. Three-way light circuit, to be exact, with three-way switches. You'll hear people say four-way circuits. There's really no such thing. It's all three-way. It's just once you go above two switches, each connecting three-way, in between there's got to be a four-way, and there's a purpose for that. But these are really straightforward. If you're not going light first, which I'll explain in another video, the first switch, the closest to your panel, gets the power first. On these three-way switches, sometimes it's always different configurations depending on the brand of where the screws are, but you're going to have a black screw labeled common. This is where your black wire comes from your power box. This can be 12-2, 14-2, whichever one you're using. Either way, it hits this. This does not have to be 12-3, 14-3 on your first one. So your neutral, wire nut, going to your light. Same thing with your grounds. Hit your switches, go to your light. Straightforward. Your black comes in from the panel to your first common. The other two screws on there are just going to be for a carry wire. This is where your 14-3 or 12-3 comes in. Neutral. And these really don't matter. Like if you put it on this screw on this one, I just drew it for easier understanding. I matched it to the screw on this one. It don't matter. Red, same thing. It don't matter. This one could have been here and gone to here or vice versa, as long as they connect. Okay? Because all these do is change the circuit path or the current path depending on where each switch is. Where people mess up and get mixed up are the common screws. They are not carryovers. They are power in, power out. It don't matter what order they're in. The first one gets the power in. Second one is the switch leg, power out. So a lot of people will refer to this, like you see on GFIs or electrical terms, line load. This is the in. This is the line power. This is the power out to the switch or to the light. This is your load power. It's going to be the same concept on these type circuits where you've got multiple three-way switches, okay? You'll come from your breaker box into the first common. Either way, it doesn't matter which one of these are red or black. What does matter here is when you get to your four-way in between them. So think of this. It don't matter which top or bottom, but to make it easier, I always just do it this way. Both of these this time are going to come to the bottom of the four-way. And they're going to come out the top of the four-way. Now coming out, again, it doesn't matter. Either one of these screws, just make sure the black and black are correct. Black in, line, black out, load. So just real quick recap on that from the panel to your first box. Black screw common is in. These two don't matter. Just get them on screws. Run them over. Hit them on screws. Black screw common out. Line load. And the only thing that matters here is the exact same concept. Just remember, pick top or bottom as in or out. In or out. So you're going to come down. You're going to come over. That is your in from your first switch. Carry over. Carry over. That is your out to the last switch. And again, the black common out to the light. There's another method for that where power hits your light first. If you want to understand that better, comment on it and I will get that in for you. And I'm doing this today on a couple different areas, so I may actually get you a live video of it being done. We'll see how that pans out. But hopefully that made sense. If it don't, ask me to elaborate on any section of it that you need and I will do so. Please like, share this video if it helped you in any way. Any subscribers are greatly appreciated. God bless you and have a great day.